Hello everyone, hello grade 4. Today we will study the second part of the math revision. Let's start. Number 1, complete the following. The number whose prime factors are 2, 5, 3. To find this number, just multiply the 3 factors. 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 times 3 equals what? Equals 30. 50 times 600, we will multiply 5 by 6 equals what? Equals 30. Ask yourself, how many extra zeros we have? We have here triple zero. Just we will bring down triple zero. The product will be 30,000. Number 3, the perimeter of the square is 36 centimeter. Then its side length equals what, guys? Ask yourself, its side length equals what? Yes, equals its perimeter divided by what, guys? Divided by number of sides, which is 4. Perimeter equals 36 divided by 4, guys, equals what? Equals 9 centimeter. Now its side length equals 9 centimeter. Number 4, the number whose prime factors are 2, 5 and 7. To find this number, just multiply the 3 factors. 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 times 7 equals 70. Number 5, the LCM of 60 and 40. To find the lowest common multiple of 60 and 40, we will factorize each number to its prime factors. 60 is what, guys? Is 6 times 10. Now 6 we can write it as 2 times 3, and 10 we can write it as 2 times 5. Now the prime factors 2, 3, 2, 5. Now we can write 60 as the product of 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Now by the same way, 40 is 4 times 10, and we can write 4 as 2 times 2 and 10 as 2 times 5. Now we have triple 2 and 5. We can write 40 as triple 2. We have double 2. 2 times 2, no 2's up, we can write times 2 at the last. No 3 and we have 1 5. Just multiply nothing, multiply 5. Now guys, don't forget to order the similar factors above each other. It's very important. Now the LCM is, from each column we will bring down just one factor. Now we have here first, second, third column, fourth column, and the last column. LCM, it will be 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times what, guys? Times here 2. Now we will multiply. We have triple 2 equals what, guys? Equals 8 times 3 times 5. 8 times 5 equals what? Equals 40. 40 times 3, it will be 120. So the LCM of 60 and 40 is 120. The GCF of 16 and 12 is what? We can find it mentally. Ask yourself, 16 and 12 are divisible by what, guys? Yes, are divisible by 2 and what? And 4. Now the GCF is what, guys? Is 4. It's easy to find it mentally. Number 9, the number whose prime factors are 2, 5 and 7. To find this number, just multiply the 3 factors. 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 times 7 equals 70. Number 10, 50 times 600. By the same way, 5 times 6 equals 30. How many extra zeros we have? We have triple zero. So right here triple zero. So the product will be 30,000. The perimeter of the square is 36 centimeter. Then its side length. To find its side length, we will divide its perimeter by guys, what? By number of sides, which is 4. 36 divided by 4 equals what? Equals 9 centimeter. We studied before. To find the perimeter of the opposite figure, guys, we have here a polygon. It's called trapezium. Now we will add all sides to find its perimeter. We have 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals what? Equals 6. 6 plus 5 equals 11. So its perimeter is 11 centimeter. Number 13, the lowest common multiple of 5 and 10. If we have here a prime number and a composite number, to find the LCM of the two numbers, just multiply the two numbers. 5 times 10 equals what? Equals 50. And 50 is what, guys? Is the lowest common multiple of 5 and 10. Number 14, 25 times 7 times 4. We have here two compatible numbers, which is 25 and 7. We have 25 times 7 times 4. The two compatible numbers, 25 and 4. 25 times 4 equals what? Equals 100. 100 times 7, just bring down 7 and bring down double zero to its right. So the product here will be 700 mentally. In the opposite figure, ABCD is a rectangle. Number 15, AD is what? BC, perpendicular or parallel to. We studied before that each two opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. So AD, guys, is equal to BC and AD is parallel to BC. So the correct answer here is parallel to. AC equals what? AC is what, guys? Ask yourself. AC here is a diagonal of the rectangle. Now Now the two diagonals in the rectangle are equal in length. Now AC is equal to BD. Number 17, the quadrilateral in which only two sides are parallel is called what? Is called trapezium. We studied before. Just we have here two sides are parallel and not equal in length. 15 decimeter equals what? Centimeter, guys. To convert from decimeter to centimeter, we will multiply by 10, so it will be 150 centimeter. Number 19, 2,565,178 minus 1 million. Just we will subtract from 2 1 million, so it will be here 1 million and the same number of thousand and the same number of ones period. We have here 565,178. Next, number 20, 90,000 square centimeter equals what? Square meter. To convert from square centimeter to square meter, we will divide here by 10,000. So just delete here 4 zeros, we will have 9 square meter. Number 21, if the perimeter of the triangle is 16 centimeter, ask yourself, the perimeter of the triangle equals what? Equals the sum of the three sides. We have here two sides, 4 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So to find the third one, we will add the two sides. 4 plus 7 equals 11. Then we can subtract from 16. 16 minus 11 equals what, guys? Equals 5 centimeter. So the third side is 5 centimeter. What is the common multiple for all numbers? We studied before that 0 is a common multiple for all numbers. Number 23, the highest common factor of two numbers 3 and 6 is what, guys? It's easy, you can find it mentally, is 6. 6 is divisible by 6 equals 1 and 6 is divisible by 3 equals 2. Number 24, 70 times 20 equals 14 times what? We can change it like this, 70 times 20, we can write it as 7 times 2 times here just 2 zeros, so we have 100. 7 times 2 equals what? Equals 14 times 100. Now the missing number is what, guys? Is 100. Number 25, 32,008,015 is written in digits as, we can write it as 32 million. We have 32 million. How many thousand we have? We have here 8,000. So we have double zero in 10,000 place and 100,000 place. We can write double zero and 8 in thousands place. Finally, we have here 15. So we have 0 in hundreds place. 312 kilometer equals how many meters, guys? We will multiply by 1,000. So it will be 312,000 meter. Number 27, the factors of 50 are what? Ask yourself, guys, to find the factors of 50, ask yourself 50 is what times what? Is 50 times 1. And we can write 50 as 5 times 10 in multiplication table. 50 is an even number, is divisible by 2. Equals what? Equals 25. We can find it mentally. Now factors of 50 are what? Are 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. Next we have here 10, 25 and 50. 10, 25 and 50. Finally the number itself. Number 28, the sum of the measures of the interior angles of any triangle equals what, guys? Equals 180 degrees. We studied before as a rule. Next, number 29, 8 times 765 times 125. We studied before that 8 times 125 equals what? Equals 1000. And we can say that 8 and 125 are two compatible numbers. Times what, guys? Times the same number, which is 765. We write 765 and write 000 to its right. So the product here is 765,000. Number 30, the lowest common multiple of the two numbers 2 and 4 is what, guys? Is 4. It's easy to find it. 4 is divisible by itself and 4 is divisible by 2. Number 31, if the dimension of a rectangle are 5 and 3, then its perimeter equals what, guys? To find its perimeter, we will add the two dimensions 5 plus 3, then we will multiply the sum by 2. 5 plus 3 equals what? Equals 8. 8 times 2 equals what, guys? Equals 16 centimeter. Number 32, an equilateral triangle. The length equilateral triangle means what, guys? Means all sides are the same, are equal. The length of two sides of it are 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Then the length of the third one is what, guys? Is 6 centimeter. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon, guys.